lost everything. That's my life, real talk. That's my life, everything on there. How I'm not vexed right now, I don't know, but anybody can help. I really appreciate it.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless hello and greetings all my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed, and as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know health is wealth, and your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Eat right, drink right, think right. Remember, your body is like an engine, so if you don't take care of it and service it regularly, it's gonna pop down, broke down. Zine. We have to keep on reiterating that in my viewers and subscribers because you don't know. It's a positive advice. And the more we keep nailing it into your head, you will get immune to it, you know. So you must big up everybody. I don't know, positive all the way. See, now if you're new to the channel, don't and you like what you see or you heard, you know what I mean, just and you feel like subscribing, thank you. But if you're not subscribed, please make sure you click the bell so you always get that alert update when I post a new content. You know that content could be relevant or useful to you or someone close to you. See? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So in this topic now we want to talk about just a little alert information, help us and the word and support one of our musical brethren and music fraternity, and it is Shawnee B. Most of you all may know Shawnee B, big international disc jockey, selector, producer from in the UK. See? And also we talk about the correctional Spanish Town Prison correctional institution, you know, outbreak of the CV of the big C inside, you know, 74 positive case so far. So before we get into it, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, a local admin, I pay the bills. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so welcome back. You don't know, you see me, Tina B, the Empress, she have a new video I drop soon, in 2 weeks time, I think. Yeah, she named Champion, you know, and she went to Jamaica, UK artist, based in the UK, born Jamaican, but you know she's in Jamaica currently doing the video. So big up she and her team. Zine, teamwork make the dream work. So you can go check her out on Instagram. I see me post her a lot, you know, on the channel, you know what I mean? So yeah man, probably can get the support we get, is it? Yeah. Now my viewers and subscribers, we kick it up with Shawnee B, you know, because this is very important. You know, Shawnee B had his laptops stolen out of his vehicle, so I'm going to hear him say, yeah man.
Boy, people, it's not fun and games this one. I parked up in Camden, the man has gone in my car, it come like I never locked my car properly. They've taken out my laptop bag, my 2 laptops, all of my hard drives, everything. 2 new Crips I bought. I don't do business by the Crips, like honest to God. All I want right now is my laptop bag back. So if you're in the Camden area and you know any of the youth them that may be whatever, and the little crackheads them or whatever is selling a laptop, it's got my name on it. That's the funniest thing, is it's got my name on it. I appreciate anybody that could share this to anybody in the area, because it's peak, fam. I've lost everything. That's my life, real talk. That's my life, everything on there. How I'm not vexed right now, I don't know, but anybody can help. I really appreciate it. Of course, there's a money on this as well, like whatever, shout me.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. John was I can see the turmoil that the man face, the stress, the distress, you know, the feeling. I know it feel, who feels it knows, you know, because I had my car stolen once, you know, well, a few years now. So I know the feelings, you know what I mean. I had my wallet lost with all of my car, them, everything. You know what I mean, my driver's license and everything, and I couldn't go to work, you see me? So I know it feel. It doesn't have to be a laptop or a CD, but something that's very important and vital to you. So I know it feels. So Shawnee B had his laptop stolen in Camden in the UK. So all of the UK massive if you see this, you can pass it on and share it. I know the video gone and enough people may say reposted his video. Likewise myself, so I decided to put it on the platform because I don't know the YouTube and it travels, you know. Yeah, so I'm playing my part, you know what I mean. I posted the video on my Instagram and also I'm doing it on the YouTube. So Shawnee B lost his 2 laptops with all that music. They must can hear the man and say, yo, I'm live. That's his livelihood. Whole I'm belly gone, you see me? And him 2 hard drives them with songs from artists all over the world. Dub plate from artists all over the world. Special, you know? Interviews, visuals, everything but him 2 hard drive them and him 2 laptops them gone start. You see me? So if anybody know of anyone who purchased a laptop or are coming to sell a laptop, and you see, you know, in picture upon it as well, him say. So please, if you can help pass on a message or spread the word to make him get it back, because you know Shawnee B that, you know, well-known celebrity, you see me? Yeah, well-known celebrity. So fingers crossed and hopefully he can get it back after a few days, you know. So far it's been a day now, we're not hearing nothing yet, so hopefully he can recover it, you know what I mean? Get it back. You see me? So fingers crossed. And people maybe gonna spread the word. You don't have to share that video, but when you can just spread the word. You see me? Yes, man. Big up yourself, Shawnee B. Have faith, fingers crossed, you know? You don't know, brother. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Next, my viewers and subscribers. The Spanish Town Correctional Institution, prison. There's been an outbreak, you know what I mean, in the prison. So the prisoner them say, boy, the water, them not take no precaution and them not follow the protocols. So I'm not gonna hear what go on.
An inmate at the St. Catherine Adult Correctional Center is blaming the COVID-19 outbreak at the facility on warders who he claims are not wearing their masks. In a statement yesterday, the Department of Correctional Services, DCS, said there are 74 positive COVID-19 cases among the inmate population. The inmate, whose voice has been changed to protect his identity, says the warders interact with the public and should comply with the COVID-19 protocols to protect those incarcerated.
We are in a bubble and we're not going out and nobody else not coming in. But them, we're not getting any visit. So who will bring it in? How it come? Them, the officers. And then they are cussing us, telling us that they don't want to come here to catch the dirty corona from the prisoner then because they all have it. We're not going out there. You are the one bringing it in. So if they monitor their staff better, they could reduce it.
The inmate also noted that they have not received enough personal protective equipment.
No sanitizer. They issue like, since the outbreak, they will start to issue like 2 masks per day. Sometimes you don't get it. Sometimes the water out the box. Sitters is best with it, so you don't get it.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, I want to think the prisoner retell his voice, you see me, and he must say, boy, the water them in there scan them, but them don't want to catch no corona from the prisoner. When them I bring it in because them can't go nowhere, them under lockdown. The water them a go out and a come in and them a mix with the public, so them need to follow the protocols and take more precautions, and they are the one who brought it into the prison. You know, he also stated that, you know, since the outbreak, them not get much sanitizer, them not get no sanitizers and masks, them get like 2 masks per day, and then sometimes them not get it. You see me? So why, oh boy, I tell the prison life, you know, jailhouse and the bed rose. That's why the youth them have to stay away from prison. You see me? And crime and violence. Stay away from it because you're not going there nice. You see me? Jailhouse and the bed rose. You see me? Some of viewers and subscribers, let me know your intake on the prison system and the CV, the big C and the water them. You know, if they need to take more precautions for true, you know, and thing. And also Shawnee B, I hope we get back him laptop soon. This is just a quick update, you see me? Big up on the damn self, and you don't know. Please, if you can go check out my song titled I'm a Change Man. It's available on all streaming platforms. Zine. Yeah man, so you don't know I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.
Yeah, man.
From now on I'm gonna settle down. No more I'm gonna let you down. You could have run well left me but you stuck around. That's why me decide to stop fuck around. Baby, from
So
now
watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.